On the mic, mixing the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Let's go.
So, hello everybody and welcome back. Of course, to be honest, the title of this video, of course, is a clickbait. This camera is, I don't think it's better than the DJI Osmo, the new action cam. But let's see if it's worth the money. Let's see how good is it. Is it better, much better than the previous version? Or is it just a minor upgrade? So I'll take the camera out. Mine came with the package completely ruined, so we'll see all the parts that come with it without the package. And then I'll adjust it, and then I'll connect it to my longboard pole, as you've seen in other videos, and we'll see how it films. Today is a very bright day, so to give this camera a chance without the ND filter, I'm going to wait a little bit and let the sun set down a bit, but we'll still have a good light. And that's it, so let's start with the review. So, first look of the camera, basically the same setup as we had before. Two buttons on the top. In this model they are a little bit off the surface, so they are a little bit round into the surface, so you won't press it accidentally. And the side is the normal connector, just like we had in the first one. It's not a micro USB, it's a different kind of USB. And the card slot, which makes it pretty hard to put the card in. I have a trick when I take in another card back and push it in with it. Be careful with that, because it could pop off and you won't find your card again. One side is blank, and here we have the new connector to the remote, which we'll see in a few seconds. So this is the new model, a bit bigger than the old model. Here they are side by side. You can see the difference in the buttons. The side is functionally basically the same. And that's all. So the camera has grown a bit, but let's hope it will end in a much better result in the video section. So some accessories that comes with this camera. We have this angled racket with the screw mount, the standard screw mount for all of your tripod gear and everything. So this is very good. And here in this section they gave two straps, which gives you some flexibility, but I like the other solution, this cage of the old camera. Basically it does its job, so I'll give it okay. So what else do we get in the package? So this is the rest of the package. This is a silicone cover which protects the camera, very nice. Makes it a little bit harder to press the buttons, but it's a good protective for this camera, especially when you consider it some kind of extreme drone camera. And on the left you can see the remote, which is basically a navigation buttons. This remote connects to this, not this one, this socket, and let you navigate while you connect this camera through this port to an AVI input, the yellow input in your TV or screen, the analog one, so you can navigate the menu. The menu is a real good improvement over the first model, because it lets you control all kind of over a lot of things, like some picture characteristic, like saturation, contrast, brightness, the time-lapse duration, basically everything in the camera that has a control. You can control it by this remote. The only thing I didn't show here is the cable, and let's take a look at it separately. In terms of video quality, on the paper you can get 2.5K picture, which is a better resolution, of course, or you can get a higher frame rate, 1080p by 60 frames per second. This could be useful in more dynamic applications, like this camera is intended to film, like drone shots, like you can put it on your mountain bike, on your longboard, or whatever extreme sport you are making. So this is nice. It should be improvement, but let's see the footage and see how it works. So I'm going to take my longboard and let's see side by side which camera perform better. Does it worth to pay more for the second model? Let's go.
From the top, let's go. What? Here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic. Mix in the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Next, let's go. One, two.